Thanks for remaining. Joining me from the SIBO in Chicago is Alan Nuckman of Agora Financial. Alan, great to have you with us as always. And you know, August is turning out to be so whipsaw, lots of volatility. But you see, or you believe, that there are some positive technical signals which suggest investors, traders see some sort of certainty on the horizon. Talk to us about why you're somewhat bullish here, why you think support's holding, and what that certainty could be about.
All right, looking at the VIX, I'm calm and collected here in Chicago. We've erased all of the VIX explosion gains that we had in August, and we're back down to the 17 level. So it's been a big turn down, and we've seen this before. We've had a series of lower highs in the VIX every time it's rallied, and you've also seen a series of higher lows in the S&P. We had a nice reversal on Thursday once again where we tested and rejected that significant low in the S&P, and we've seen some big bounce and some follow through to get us to the halfway level, half back attack. We're halfway back from that recent drop from the top.
Okay, so we're halfway back to that recent drop from the top, or the all-time highs. Do you think that we eclipse those all-time highs? Some of our guests are talking about big volatility in September, but that the fourth quarter is going to be great. What are your cues telling you?
Well, just looking at what's happened in the past, it's not a prediction of the future necessarily, but you can see every time that we sold off the past, we've gotten above that halfway midpoint of that drop. It's rallied and made new all-time highs. So I think the fundamentals still remain solid. Obviously, there's a certain level of uncertainty, but the markets are telling us that they're a little bit more confident than they've been now with this VIX drop and this stock comeback. So a little bit more follow-through, and I think it could be very positive. And the path of least resistance, I think, is still to the upside.
And so one area that you are positive on, bullish on right now, you're saying is on sale, cybersecurity. Talk to us about your trade on FireEye.
Well, looking at tech's up 20% so far here in 2019. This stock is actually down 20%. So the mirror inverse here, and this stock has been a sell-off. It's been trading between 10 and 20 now for 3 years. It's right now at about the 1375 level. I'm sorry, 1350 level. The option I'm looking at, the stock substitution strategy, buying an in-the-money call that's going to act like the stock, tie up a lot less money, and also give better performance on an upward move. So the option I'm looking at is the December $10 call. Again, the all-time low in the stock is 1035. We're able to buy at a major discount, buying it for 375.
Alan Nuckman,
so it's an in-the-money play that's going to pay off.
Agora Financial, thank you so much for joining us for Options Insight. And from New York, this is Bloomberg.
Today's Options Insight is sponsored by Think or Swim by TD Ameritrade.